Garrosh versus Garrosh. This ought to be interesting.
Bring it on!
I'm liking most of this except you. Is it bad enough for me to go ahead and do anything about it? No. We're good. Let's go for it. Again, I like starting second because you get an extra card and you get the coin. The coin.
I will crush you!
Sure.
Fly, Polly!
And we get him too. We get patches. Cool. I don't think you're gonna do jack, dude, unless you got a pirate deck. Unless you got a pirate deck, I don't think you're gonna do very much.
Oops, I broke a diamond.
Taunt. We can get rid of that, I think. Crap. Oh, we got it. Yeah, there we go. That'll work. I'll take a hit for the team. So will you. And so will you. There we go. We've actually strengthened our board there.
Do you hear its call?
So he's playing a Cthulhu Warrior deck. Very interesting. Let's see here. I control a pirate. Let's go ahead and do that. I don't care enough about him to hit him yet. Let's go with that. I want to get him down as quickly as possible. Next turn, I will go ahead and actually run this and him. Now that might be a good one to go and hit. Okay, so what we're going to do is you and you. And you can immediately go kill yourself. I'll go ahead and do this too while we're at it. Get my points back. And now I believe he's in serious trouble. He's got a 4-2 with Divine Shield out there, but still. I'm going to be able to slow the game down next turn with this guy here with Taunt. Ouch. Don't care. If I can beat him before we even get to Cthulhu, there you go. He has 14 points. Time to slow us down a little bit. Now he's at 10. And still in serious trouble. He can't kill off that taunt guy. Unless he has a card that will help his situation. Nope, that's not it. Okay, I thought he didn't have one that could kill him, but that's fine. Okay. Huh. Let's see, that would get killed by Thracian next turn. I've got enough to hardcast this. Go ahead and hardcast that. There we go. At this point, slowing down the game to make sure that he has to attack and remove our Corsair. Don't care about him. He's big and beefy, but I don't care. He did get 10 armor out of that, though. But he's got a ways to go. I've got 10 right there. 10 because of the extra. The second turn there. Make myself up to 33 because I'm going to need it. And there we go. Yeah. A little bit of damage. Ow. 11 points. Ow.
Caffeine shelters us.
Ouch. Okay, now this is getting annoying. We may not actually win this one. Four. 10, 15, 12, 17. How about that? I can do 9 to him right now. Let's go for it.
For the war chief,
Basically, right now it's a race to see if I can do more damage to him before he can kill me here in like 2 turns. Got 2 turns to do 10 points of damage, and I'm not sure I'll be able to do it. Oh, nope, we're done. That'll do it. That'll do it. Cthulhu came out and killed us. Good job, Cthulhu. Well, a loss for us, but not a problem. We're at rank 18, which is still pretty cool. Anyway, end of the game here. So my name is GamerCat. If you enjoyed what you saw here, leave me a comment in the comment section below. In the meantime, GamerCat signing off. Oh, hey, we got a thing.